Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. In a weather alert, IMD warns tourists of heat waves, heavy rain and travel disruptions. Here's your latest India weather update, where travelers across the country are being advised to stay alert as weather agencies issue warnings for intense heat waves, heavy rainfall and rapidly changing conditions in several popular tourist destinations. Weather officials say the coming days could bring major weather contrasts that may affect travel plans for millions. Across northern and central parts of the country, intense heat continues to grip several states. Heatwave conditions are expected to push temperatures to uncomfortable and potentially dangerous levels in some areas. Officials say prolonged exposure during peak afternoon hours can increase the risk of heat-related illness and travel difficulties. For travelers visiting major cities, heritage destinations and outdoor tourist attractions across northern India, weather conditions could become challenging. Long hours outdoors, sightseeing activities and road travel during extreme temperatures may become more difficult as the heat intensifies. Some regions are continuing to experience temperatures above normal seasonal averages. But while one part of the country deals with extreme heat, another region is preparing for a very different weather threat. Heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity are expected across parts of southern and northeastern India. Weather agencies say rain intensifies may increase in several locations, bringing possible waterlogging, reduced visibility and disruptions to road travel. Coastal regions and hill destinations may also experience rapidly changing conditions. Travelers planning visits to beaches, hill stations, wildlife destinations and island regions are being advised to remain flexible with travel schedules. Rough weather conditions, localized flooding and storm activity could affect transportation and outdoor tourism activities. Meteorologists explain that India is entering a transition period where pre-monsoon weather systems are becoming increasingly active. During this time, hot, dry air in some regions and moisture-rich systems in others can create sharp weather contrast across the country that often result in sudden thunderstorms, gusty winds and rapidly changing conditions. The impact of the ongoing heat is also becoming visible beyond weather alone. Recent extreme temperatures have pushed energy demand to record levels as cooling requirements continue rising across the country. Officials are encouraging travelers to take precautions before beginning trips. If you are traveling in heat-affected areas, keep water available, avoid long exposure to direct sunlight during afternoon hours and follow local advisories. If you are heading toward regions expecting heavy rain and storms, monitor weather updates regularly and prepare for possible delays or schedule changes. Weather experts also remind people that forecasts can change quickly during seasonal transition periods, which means checking the latest weather information before travel remains important. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.